Oral solid dosage forms are the formulations which are manufactured widely. These are prescribed widely and used widely. Solid oral formulations can be administered by the patient and does not require the healthcare provider. Oral solid formulations are most stable and robust in the type of formulations. Other formulations are also stable and robust, but considering the stability, oral formulations and mainly oral solids can be considered as most stable formulations. This video is regarding oral solid formulations OSD, regarding the information on their manufacturing criticality and as a overview for the OSD. Out of 100, 70% or 80% of the formulations are oral solid formulations. These are the formulations which are backbone of the pharmaceutical formulations, and generally we can say that 2/3 of the prescribed formulations are generally oral solids. These oral solid formulations include tablets, capsules, soft gelatin capsules, hard gelatin capsules, powders, and sachets. Pellets are also coming into the category of oral solid formulations. The advantages of the OSD formulations are like these are patient friendly, can be administered by the patient itself, these are cost effective, these are stable, and the processes are scalable. These are considered to be less critical than the liquid formulations and injectable formulations. The solid pharmaceutical formulations which are administered orally are called as oral solid dosage forms or simply OSD. The oral solid formulations after swallowing dissolve in the GI tract and absorption takes place. These formulations enable systematic absorption of the API and favored for ease of use and the long shelf life. These are the main advantages. Types of the oral formulations OSD forms are conventional tablets, some specialized tablets like sublingual tablets, buccal tablets, chewable tablets, effervescent tablets, and many more. Capsules are also there. Granules and powders are also there. Conventional tablets are most common and made by mixing the API with excipients and compressing. Buccal and sublingual tablets are those which are used in the mouth cavity, oral cavity, and can be used for rapid absorption. Chewable tablets are easy to ingest, especially for the children, and does not require water. Capsules involve the APIs mixed with excipients and may be in the powder or granule form, may be in the pellet form, enclosed in the gelatin or HPMC shells. Soft gelatin capsule formulations include the API dissolved in the liquid, oil, or suspended form. Poor solubility of the modern APIs, new chemical entities, requires the advanced technologies. Mainly, the manufacturing methods for OSD formulations are granulation techniques and some coating technologies. Wet granulation technique, dry granulation technique, direct compression technique, and coating technologies are used for the manufacturing of OSD formulations. Wet granulation involves use of the liquid binder to enhance the flow and uniformity. Dry granulation does not use the liquids and it is ideal for the moisture sensitive APIs and heat sensitive APIs. Direct compression process is comparatively easy. There is no particle size alteration, suitable for the stable powders. Particle coating technology improves the surface of the APIs or API mix with the raw materials blend to improve the taste, stability and the release control. Addressing the bioavailability challenge for the oral solids, around 80% of the new molecular entities which are being synthesized have the solubility issues and may have the permeability issues. That means these belong to the BCS class 2 or 4. Addressing the bioavailability challenges must evaluate multiple formulation technologies for the same APIs, and small scale tools are essential to avoid the API waste. Many technologies are there to have the bioavailability improvement. Innovative technologies are used in the OSD like hot melt extrusion, spray drying, amorphous solid dispersion, and continuous manufacturing. Lipid-based formulations are also being manufactured to improve the bioavailability through the oral route. HME enhances poorly soluble drug delivery. Spray drying provides the precise particle size design for better bioavailability. Amorphous dispersions converts the APIs into more soluble forms. Continuous manufacturing is a comparatively new technology in the OSD. It is efficient, consistent, and cost-effective technique for making the oral formulations. Importance of continuous manufacturing in the pharmaceutical industry. Commercially, continuous manufacturing, that is CM, is utilized for over a decade, and it boosts early stage development success, and it enables scalable high quality production supported by the regulators for the faster approval. This is comparatively new information regarding the continuous manufacturing. OSD formulations remain much dominant formulation in the drug delivery. Manufacturing technique innovations continue to solve the solubility and efficiency challenges. Also, the different release rates can be investigated to have better control onto the drug release, which might be through the different technologies like sustained release technology, extended release technology, and pellet coating technologies. Selecting the right formulation and processing method is critical for the success of the oral solid formulations. This is the overview information regarding oral formulations, mainly oral solid dosage form. In upcoming videos, we will study the other formulations as well, like oral liquid formulations. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions or queries, you can mail me or you can comment. Thank you.